Swamp puppy. Swamp puppy update. Swamp puppy eating some eggs. Last meal of the day. Really loves the eggs. I don't know if it's that good for him, but he seems to love them. She seems to love them. Still got a little spot on her snout there. I don't know what it's from. Some kind of injury that didn't heal up yet. Close up of the swamp puppy head. After this, I'll probably let her out for an hour or so. Hopefully she comes back and sleeps at the house. She does like to go out and hang out in the swamp area. Not really adapted to roadside life here. Getting friendlier though. So you can see the noise really does disturb her. It is kind of disturbing. I guess you get used to it after a while living here. People do make a lot of noise on the road. Give her 3 eggs this time. 3 eggs scrambled in the microwave. It's the first time I've given her 3. See how she seems to be able to handle it. Eggs are kind of fluffy. It's not as dense as the dry kibble. So even though it looks like a lot, it's really not that much. There's 3 eggs, a little bit of water, no milk or oil. Actually, just about done there. It'll be her last meal till early tomorrow morning. It's like dinner is over. Here goes the swamp puppy. Where's she going now? She go over there to get some water. Got her water over there. It's noisy by the road. I can see why she prefers the swamp. Just drinking a little water. And the swamp puppy update.